Very good morning, dear viewers. How are you doing? Thank God we are doing fine. Everything is alright. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Dear viewers, last time, couple of days ago, we unboxed already one machine, blender, juicer. So today we are going to start using it. And today we are going to make one very simple recipe, very good smoothie, healthy smoothie, which is going to be couple of ingredients, couple of vegetables, which is I'm going to show you here. Tomato, cucumber, fresh mint, and later on we will add pinch of salt and pinch of ground black pepper. So this is, as always, my favorite smoothie, which is very cheap and easy, also easy to find in the market. Everything is available here. So let's start, dear viewers. So dear viewers, we are going to close this so this is our machine. In last video you have seen already while I was unboxing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So प्यारे दोस्तों, our smoothie is ready. This is our smoothie, dear viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's taste it. Wow. Dear viewers, I have added little bit water also. It's very healthy and tasty smoothie. Even you can call it vegetable juice also. Very nice, blended, and very good for health. This is very simple and easy recipe, but still I thought better to share with you. This is almost everybody knows about it. So nice of you for giving us your precious time. So nice of you. So dear viewers, see you next time in next video. So as I always request, please watch our videos, like it, share and subscribe our all channels, and don't forget to hit bell icon all button please. That is very good support for us. That's so nice of you, and you are helping us, and thank you very much for your supporting. See you in next video inshallah. Take care. Bye dear viewers, take care. Bye bye.